Alright, let's look at the practice exam 1, problem number 7, part A. Right, so let's use the integration by parts to evaluate this following indefinite integral. Right, so integration by parts goes something like this, right? So integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. Right, so we're gonna have to, let's say, determine u and dv first. So we're gonna let u be, u is something you can take the derivative of. So in this case, I'm gonna let u be natural log of x, and dv be rest of it, so x dx. Right, so let's take the derivative. So we get du over dx is equal to derivative natural log of x is 1 over x. Alright, then since what we're looking for du, so I'm gonna just derive it, multiply through by dx. So du is equal to dx over x. Right, on this side, we're gonna actually divide through by dx. So we get dv over dx, which is just the derivative of v with respect to x, is equal to x. Right, so since we're interested in v, we can take the antiderivative with respect to x so that we can get the v back. So antiderivative of x is add 1 to the power, divide by that power, so x squared over 2. Alright, so in this case, we are looking for, we need u, and we need v, which is right here, right, and also du, which shows up right here. Right, so let's use those to apply integration by parts. So this is going to be equal to, right, u times v, so I'm going to just write it as x squared over 2 times natural log of x, so that's uv, right, minus integral of, v is this guy, x squared over 2, and du is dx over x. Alright, so we can cancel x on the bottom here and one of the x up here, so just to scratch out the power there. Right, then we can take the antiderivative from there. Right, so the first term, we're done with the antiderivative, so x squared over 2 times natural log of x minus, right, antiderivative of x over 2 is x squared, and divide by 2, but the 2 was already there, so 2 times 2 is 4. Right, then since this is an indefinite integral, so you have a plus some constant c. Right, so this is the antiderivative of x times natural log of x. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.